Welcome. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time you get a view count notification on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable vibration for these notifications, so you can enjoy a quieter, distraction-free experience. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main Settings app. This is where you control all your device's features, including how apps send you notifications. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. From here, look for Instagram. Once you spot it, tap on Instagram to open its settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly how Instagram communicates with you. Now, look for notification categories. This is where Instagram breaks down all the different types of notifications it can send. Tap on it to see a detailed list. In the list of notification categories, find the one labeled View Counts. This is the setting that controls notifications about how many people have viewed your posts or stories. Tap on View Counts to open its specific notification settings. Here's the important part. You'll see an option called Vibrate. This toggle controls whether your phone vibrates when you receive a view count notification from Instagram. To turn off vibration, simply switch the toggle to the off position. And that's it. You've successfully disabled vibration for view count notifications on Instagram. Now, whenever you get updates about your post views, your phone will stay silent. No more unexpected buzzing. If you ever want to turn vibration back on, just follow these steps again and switch the toggle back. Customizing your notifications helps you stay focused and in control of your device. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.